Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have something special that can make your place look better and brighter. Mirror decoration ideas. Mirror are not just for checking yourself out, they can also be cool decoration for your home. Stick around as we explore some creative ways to use mirror for decoration. Before we jump into the ideas, let's talk about why mirrors are awesome for decorating. They can make a room see bigger, reflecting light to make dark areas brighter and make your place look fancier. Let's start with a classic, putting mirrors on the wall. This can make a room look bigger and add some space. You can use different mirrors in all shots or shapes and size for a fun look. Mirror furniture is a trendy choice. Things like mirrored coffee tables or dressers can make your place feel more fancy and can reflect light to make it look open. Get creative with little mirror styles. You can stick them on the walls in cool patterns to make a beautiful mosaic. Big standing mirrors are not just for checking your outfit, they can also be statement pieces. They make your room look bigger and add some drama. In the kitchen, you can have a mirrored backsplash. It reflects light and gives your kitchen a modern touch. Plus, it's easy to clean. Dress up your coffee tables or venti with a mirrored trace. It's fancy way to show off candles, vases, or other cut stuff. Like art, look for mirrors with neat frames or shapes. Make your wall look stylish. For a quick and fun option, try mirror stickers. You can stick them on the wall and remove them easily, which is great if you rent your place. A mirror ceiling can be amazing, especially in room like it's the dining area or bedrooms. It adds some grooms and reflecting the room's beauty. So there you have it, mirror decoration ideas then can make your place look brighter and cooler. Whether you want to create a mirror wall, use mirrored furniture, or add small mirror details, mirror can make your home more awesome. If you like these mirror decoration ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decoration inspiring